Top button to turn on. Long press on minus to switch between trip distance, total distance, and range. Short press on plus or minus to switch between off, eco, tour, sport, and turbo modes. Bottom button to enable walk mode. If you have the light, long press on plus to activate or deactivate. Long press on minus and plus to reset the trip distance. Top button to turn off.